turn it down. Big anaconda, count a whole lot of, keep me some cash, cool with
I ever showed y'all how the side skirts looking, so I said they looking right there. Car really coming together, you feel me? See those stars. Just need my fronts really, I'll probably be satisfied. But yeah, I don't know if I ever really said anything about it, cause I really wish I got more videos when I just had a muffler delete, but whatever. But yeah, I got a resonator delete the other day, so probably go ahead and get some flybys and then some res, show you how it's sounding. Then, look at that hood. Oh, look at that hood. That shit, look at the way that bitch shine. Shit look to me. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and record some flybys, show y'all some clips. And then also, I got an exhaust on the way. I might have a full 3-inch exhaust. I'm not gonna spoil it too much, you feel me? But yeah, I got a full 3-inch exhaust on the way. Show y'all whenever that shit come in. That shit say 2 to 4 months. I swear everything on this car takes some fucking minute to come, but it's whatever, you feel me? Trust the process. Once all that shit come in, this car gonna be tough. I'm telling you, it's gonna be the toughest Q60 out here, man. Double M Q60 gonna be the best Q60 out here. Tell them boys stop playing. This how it sounds like during regular driving. You probably can't even hear it for real. You probably can't even hear it much for real, because it's not that loud during regular driving. But let me downshifts. Downshifts probably my favorite part. No cap. Damn, that boy sliding. STI. But she quick though, you feel me? See that? She got it at 60, got it at 80, really. Real quick, boy.
She is very gorgeous to me!
She stopped. She's like, I can't, bro. I cannot wait to tune this shit, bro. I swear to God. I swear to God. Let's put the windows back down. sometimes occasionally I be getting pops on the downshifts. But I would try to make it for y'all, but yeah, that shit is like so damn random. You can't even recreate that shit. Wow. Especially can't wait till I get some intakes. That shit was so crazy. Even now, like, I can really still hear like the turbo spool and shit. Even like when I be pulling up behind people, they be saying they can hear the turbos just coming up behind them. And then that's it for the. Them boys bumping, ain't it? But yeah, that's it for the flybys. You feel me? I really like the way she's sounding right now. Like I said, I just really can't wait till I get that exhaust. Full 3-inch, that shit gonna sound hella nice. I've seen some clips and I know that shit sounds crazy on camera. So I just know in person it's gonna sound that much more better. Shit, I wish y'all could hear it in person when I get it, but it's whatever. But yeah, man. Like, I really fuck with it right now because you can like really hear the turbo spool and like the turbo whistle when it goes down. That shit sounds crazy, bro. Like, I was never really a big fan in the turbo cars like that. Like, I like NA, but nah, this car been treating me right, so I fuck with it. Yeah, she coming out real nice, man. Can't wait till I'm done. I'm telling y'all, bro. I'm just getting started for real. Just getting started. I don't really got too much to do exterior wise now. Just waiting on my fronts. Carbon fenders, carbon trunk. And then I'm trying to think. Like I said, I'm pretty much almost done with the exterior. So I'm about to start getting into more engine mods. Start making this whole fast. As far as like getting it tuned and stuff. Definitely when I get it tuned, I want to shoot flames and shit. I know RIP turbo, but you feel me? Big turbo, feel me? Big turbo. Pure turbos. Feel me? Once them hoes blow, get my warranty work, get my stock turbos back, and then feel me? Just so I can have them. And then yeah, I'm gonna probably go pure turbos, but make this go real fast got shit. So yeah, we gonna see how this shit go. Like I said, I got a lot planned, man. We gonna see.
Life shit up and down, kinda like a seesaw. Aston Martin with the horses, pull off in a yeehaw. Throw your album in the dumpster, that's just how the week sauce. Every car to the deck, I can't take no weak sauce.